don't know where to go from here, really. And YouTube is killing my channel. Okay. Hey. So, this is not the type of video that I wanted to make at the start of the new year, but something has happened and I have no idea what that is. That's gonna bother me. Alright. So, near the end of 2020, I experienced a severe dip in views, which has been something that I've been struggling with the channel for a while now. It's just, for some reason, the algorithm or the YouTube machine just does not like my channel. I don't know, there's a lot of factors that go into why my videos probably underperform, and that is completely at my own fault. I am to blame with that. I could be more efficient. I could do a lot of things that would make this channel more sustainable and whatever. That's not why I'm making this video, because that's somewhat manageable. The problem happened near the end of 2020 where everything was going fine, and all of a sudden there was just like a dip where all of my videos were heading towards zero revenue and just almost no views for no reason. My CPM has been steadily increasing, the engagement has been increasing, everything has been good except for that moment in time, which you can see with the screenshot, where at some point right here, in this end of the 2020 mark, things just completely drastically dropped, and I contacted the YouTube support team. I chatted with, I think, what was a human, maybe a bot, and they essentially couldn't find anything. I am still waiting at the point of recording this video for further assistance from the YouTube team, which they said that they would reach back with experts in 24 hours or so. So I'm hoping to hear good news, but at this point in time, I'm making this video for one. I hope this gets resolved, and if it does, that's great. And I still want this to be a case study of just the amount of ups and downs that a content creator faces, with challenges that sometimes are way out of your control. I mean, I've been doing as much as possible for what is within my control as far as the quality of these videos. I've been putting every hour I can, even to the point where I've been having severe health problems and other things that are just not good and not sustainable. I've been slowly trying to put in every single penny that I make from this channel, from the ads of this free, educational content, which the only way to monetize is through sponsors, affiliate links, and the Google ads themselves. And I've been putting all of that money back into the channel and trying to give you guys the best viewing experience in terms of quality. Yeah, this has been my passion for years now, sharing my knowledge of what I've learned through my experiences, through going to film schools, through just learning through books and blogs and all this stuff, even through YouTube itself. This was my platform to repay back that effort of other people and just contributing to this pool of knowledge that other people can benefit from, other filmmakers can benefit from, and learn from, as I've said many times, from my mistakes and from the things that I got right. Don't know where to go from here, really. And YouTube is killing my channel. But that's all I got. I just wanted to update you, and maybe this gets fixed. I don't know how it would, because I can't even see a problem to fix. It's, like, I can't identify what went wrong. I'm just seeing the results of just this crazy dip in views that I've never experienced in my years of being on YouTube since 2009. If you are still watching this video, I appreciate you sticking to the end of it. I appreciate you just clicking on it and watching it. And if you've watched my other videos, I appreciate that as well. Right now, the best way to support me is by, downloading my packs. I'll link those in the description. I'm really proud of them, and yeah, until next time, my name is Kriscoart for Kriscoart, and I'll keep you updated, see what happens.